Hello guys, today we will change the cabin air filter from a BMW G21 330e from brand Vallejo, part number 701045.
Bij de Yaris is dat erin en met een dingen ook. Zo. Hier is een clipje. Normaal gezien wel.
Kan het niet lekker zijn?
Ja, mag dan.
Disconnecting the light. We can remove this entire plate. Good isolated.
Hier is een clipje.
Now turning loose the two screws, the one on the left and also this one on the right side. And then when the two bolts are out, you can remove the black plastic plate and take the cabin air filter out. Removing the black piece of plastic. As you can see, the cabin air filter is loose and you can take it out now. You have to look for the direction from the airflow. This one is also from Vallejo. And the genuine one, you can see there are arrows on both sides. So the air can flow through on both sides. The one we will place in, there's only one arrow in. So it comes from the engine side to the inside of the car. Placing it back in now. Toch soms gezand, hè?
Hm?
Nieuwe. Fastening the bolt again, first on the left side and then the one on the right side. And then we will place the plastic plate with the insulation on back again. But first, when it's almost in place, connect the lighting. Slide the connector in. Click. and then placing the plate in the right position. And then you can fasten the two plastic screws or bolts, or how you want to pronounce it. With a flathead screwdriver. That's fast. And now the right side. Also fastening the bolt. That's okay. This time also very strong job from Renzo, technician. That's how you change the cabin air filter from BMW 330e G21 with Empaket. And without Empaket it's the same thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.